how to edit the images in your website, right? Okay, to add text in your images, you go to under here, okay, content, files. These are all the images that are being uploaded. Okay, all the images that are being uploaded. And then, okay, you can actually click on this example, sports store, right? Okay, you can put here ABC Sports Store as your shop name for this image. Okay, this image, and then save. So the alternate text is actually here. Okay, alternate text is actually here. So you can go one by one and put your image alternate text. This will also help you in your SEO to get better ranking.